the reason why we're all gathered here today, probably the most important reason, is because we just need an excuse for a party and get all together. But the second most important reason is because history dictates that boats that are not properly welcomed to the world usually will have a very sad fate. And so we're here today to do the proper thing, to do the proper sacrifice, so this beautiful ship is always safe. There's a whole prayer that you have to say. I kid you not, I did my research, this is not a joke. Here it goes. For thousands of years, people have gone to sea. They crafted vessels to carry them and called them by name. These vessels nurture, protect, and care for the people on board through harsh seas and strong winds. That's why they are affectionately referred to as she. Today, we come to name this lady Zeus and send her to sea to be cared for, and for her to care for the Karlinsky-Bellini family and all her friends. We toast to celebrate Zeus. We raise our glasses to all the sailors of the world, to Zeus and her crew. We ask that this ship be given the strength to carry on through roughest seas, and that her keel is strong, and that she has the strength to keep our family and friends safe. We ask Almighty Poseidon to accept Zeus as her name, to help her through her passages, and allow her to always return with her crew safely home. We place green leaves on the bow of this beautiful vessel as a symbol of land, for her to always come back to shore safely. Almighty Poseidon, please accept our humble sacrifice in exchange for your protection, so that Zeus and her crew will always be safe and return to harbor unharmed.
Well said.
We raise our glasses to the sea and to the sea's almighty ruler Poseidon, to all the sailors before us, and to Zeus. To Zeus. Amen.
Amen.
L'chaim. Cheers.
Thank you guys, everyone. Thank you so much for sacrificing your Saturday.